Empire Crypto TV. Welcome to it. Out there, please be sure to subscribe and like our shows. Hit that like button. This is Empire Crypto TV. Today, we are looking at a special one. Okay. Normally, I bring crypto live trading, but today we are doing Forex live trading. Trading the biggest currencies in the world, the US dollar and the Great British Pound, the most volatile pairs that we have in the Forex market. I'm going to try to make some profits within this 1 minute chart. But before I go any further, be sure to show some love. Coming this Saturday, free event, 4 February 2023. Copy my trades, financial freedom in 2023 at the venue of Apollo Hotel. Please show some love. Go out there. It's for free. Passive income, automated trading, copy trading. All of you who want to get involved and who want to make some passive income, passive money that you can make out of your own computer. Okay, just come to the event. It's for free. Tell your friends and everyone that you know that you love to come through, so that you might even save their lives through this educational event and informative about copy trading. Okay, now let's carry on. As I was saying, looking at the market, I'm looking at US dollar. Okay, no, Great British Pound versus the US dollar, GBP versus USD. Right, now let's go into it. I want to play some trade. Now, as you can see, I have my chart on. I'm trading trading view as a chart of trade for now. 1 minute chart right there. Okay, I have a 1 minute chart right there. And I am gonna have 1000 units, which is a macro lot, which is the lowest lot size that you can use in trading Forex. It's a macro lot. Sometimes it's 0.01 presented. So it's the slowest size that you can use. Be careful with this thing. It's very, very important that you understand micro lots so that you do not lose your money. Okay, if you put your micro lot, for instance, to 10,000, 200,000, then it becomes something like a standard lot, and that can have major potential influence in your losses and your gains. So be careful with your lot sizes. Maybe on the MT4 platform, it looks a bit different. It is different. They don't write 1,000. They have another size lot that they use. Okay, now Great British Pound, US dollar trading. Okay, I'm gonna try to make some profits, but this, remember now, this is an educational platform, so that people like of beginning stages can come and learn. This is just basic stuff. I won't be using very, very complicated tactics. Just buying and selling. First of all, I need to go to my market order section to choose whether to buy or sell the Great British Pound. Remember, Great British Pound is a base currency. Okay, so Great British Pound is a base currency, whereas the US dollar is a counter currency. Okay, so what do I believe? Do I believe that the Great British Pound will go up, or will it go down? So at this point, let me just look at this. I think it's gonna go up. Okay, so if I think it's gonna go up, simply come buy the market. Let me buy it up. Then concur it here as well, as I always do. Right. Risk management tool, stop loss, take profit. If you believe the market is going up, put your stop loss beneath. Right here. It's a 1 minute chart, so the movement is quite quick. Then I can modify it. Right there, click it. This platform is for free. Okay. Come down here again, take profit. We're going up. If we are buying, we are taking the profit up there. These are risk management tools, because if I do not put these risk management tools, the market can go on and on and on Well, if you are losing, it would be a good thing. But if you are gaining, no, sorry, if you are losing, it would be a bad thing. If you are gaining, it's a good thing. But for instance, right here, I've put a buy order, right? So I want the market to go up. But if it's not going up and it's coming down, which is bad, but still I have protection, which is my stop loss. Okay, Empire Crypto TV, be sure to like and subscribe the show. We are trading the market live, trading Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Let's look it up. Let's study the market a little bit. The chart, okay. All right, okay. The 1 minute chart is the lowest time frame. Let's look at it at the 1 hour chart. How things look like. Wow. So try and maneuver here as well. Also check the indicator out. Okay, let's go back to 1 minute chart. So I'm gonna do like what you call scalping. This is scalping. We always do scalping techniques when we're doing these sessions. Let's look at the indicator. What indicator can I use here? Let's go to the indicator section. Okay, I'll go to relative strength index. Okay. Let's look at it. Let's go. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, there's the indicator, relative strength index. What do we think here? Not quite clear. Okay, not quite clear from here. But you know, like if it's a bit confusing, I wouldn't want to use indicators for now. Let's see it. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Right, let's look at our profits and losses down there. There we go. We are at a loss currently, but it fluctuates up and down, up and down, up and down. What I do sometimes, as soon as it hits positive, for me, that would be good enough. Okay, there we go. It's a positive. It's a positive. Can we take that 7 cents, 0.7 cents dollars? It's a little bit of money. I want it to go up a little bit higher. Let's see what goes. Right here, this is my plus minus profits. I will take 11 cents. Oh God, should have closed it much more sooner. I don't think I got it. Right, let me see that. Oh my God, I hope I closed it on time. Let me see that. Account history. Go to history first. Oh Lord. Cancelled. No. Come on. Man, I closed it at the wrong time. Damn. Okay, I would like to try that again, man. That was not good, man. That was not good. Okay, I'm gonna sell the market. Looks like it's gonna come down. Let me just try and sell the market from here. Damn, man, I should have closed it on the time, right time. The timing was bad. That was bad, man. Okay, let's go. Now, when you sell, remember your stop loss comes above, okay, because you believe that the market is coming down, okay. But and your take profit comes below because you believe that the market is coming down. Okay, if it goes opposite direction, it's bad for you. Let's look. There's my stop loss there. Okay, it's at a loss right now. Okay, just placed an order. Damn, that trade, man. I just wanted just 10 cents, but the movement was so quick. Okay, that's one of the things with trading. Like with scalping, you need to be your speed level need to be a bit faster than, you think. Oh man, like I just missed it just a little bit, just like that. Now it's coming up again. I want it to come down. When it comes down, that's the when I'm gonna be profiting. I can't leave it until I am convinced that it's gonna be coming down. Damn, this trade is, oh man, just hitting down. Should have been much more quicker, but these are some of the things that you would experience. So I'm doing it on a real-time scale level, trying to make some profit. It's going up, and when it's going up, I'm losing. As you can see here, let me take it up. Trading journal, no, orders position, got here. There we go. I've short. There we go. It's minus. This is the one trade. Okay. Short means sell. For those who don't know, it means that I've sold the market. And long means you have bought into the market. So I won't take it out. I hope that it hits my take profit anytime soon. Damn, I should have caught it. Okay. Coming down again. All right, okay. This trade will go on for quite some time. Okay, Empire Crypto TV, thank you very much for joining. This is Forex Live Trading. Be sure to subscribe to our shows and show some love. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.